This one simple mistake can silently destroy your engine and cost you over $3,000. And the worst part, millions of drivers do it every year without even knowing. You take care of your car, you fill it with gas, you drive it every day. But there's one small thing that most people delay, ignore, or forget. And that one thing can turn a $60 fix into a $6,000 disaster. This is the hidden mistake: skipping or delaying oil changes and basic maintenance. Your engine has dozens of moving metal parts. They move fast, they get hot, they create friction. Oil is the only thing protecting those parts. But over time, engine oil breaks down. It becomes dirty. It loses its ability to lubricate. And eventually, it turns into sludge. When that happens, parts start grinding. Heat builds up. Oil passages get blocked. And your engine begins to destroy itself, slowly. No warning. No noise at first. Just silent damage. Here's what most drivers don't realize. Modern cars can go 5,000 to 10,000 miles between oil changes. So people assume, I still have time. But real-world driving is different. Short trips, hot weather, stop-and-go traffic, cheap or low-quality oil. All of this causes oil to break down faster than expected. And many drivers ignore maintenance reminders, delay service to save money, or simply forget. What feels like saving $60 today actually starts a chain reaction of damage. Let's look at real numbers in the United States. Oil change, $40, $100. Engine sludge cleanup, $500, $1,500. Major engine repair, $2,500, $4,000. Full engine replacement, $4,000, $10. That's where the $3,000 mistake comes from. Because once damage starts, you don't fix just one thing. You fix everything. A driver with a mid-size sedan delayed oil changes for over a year. The car still ran, so they thought everything was fine. But inside the engine, thick sludge had formed. Oil couldn't flow properly anymore. The result, complete engine failure. Repair cost $4,500, all because of skipped maintenance that would have cost less than $100. Another common case, a driver ignores low oil levels. The engine runs hotter than normal for weeks. Eventually, internal parts wear down, not immediately noticeable. But months later, engine knocking begins. Diagnosis, severe internal damage. Cost to fix, around $3,000. Here's what most people don't understand. Cars don't usually fail instantly. They fail slowly, quietly, over time. And by the time you notice the problem, the damage is already expensive. That's why mechanics often say, neglect is the most expensive repair. This isn't rare. In the US, a large percentage of drivers delay maintenance. Many ignore warning lights for weeks or months. Neglected cars can cost 2 to 3 times more in repairs over time. So here's the simple truth. If you want to avoid losing thousands of dollars, you don't need a new car. You need discipline. Change your oil on time. Check your oil level regularly. Don't ignore warning lights. Follow your car's maintenance schedule. Because the most expensive mistake is not what you do to your car. It's what you don't do. Right now, your engine might be perfectly fine. But if you ignore this one habit, you could be driving a ticking $3,000 problem. Fix it early or pay for it later.